Welcome to another episode of Doug's Electronic Repair Bench.
Afternoon, YouTube. I've been working on this my GE Model 150 donor radio. This is the one that had the bad resistor, the 2300 ohm 10 watt resistor. I got the replacements. Of course, they're not the same, obviously, but they're in there. And you know, the heat transfer may not be the greatest, but at least they're up against the chassis where it does help a little bit. I have the leads insulated against the, you can see there on both ends. I haven't actually connected it yet. I did last night on a temporary test basis, and the radio would not pick up anything. I've tried hooking up the couple different antennas, and including the original one that I fixed, and I could not get it to receive anything. So I'm assuming maybe I hooked up something wrong. I don't know. I temporarily hooked the capacitor back up to the where it's supposed to be there. Nothing else that I took off that I know of. I basically took the resistor, the large resistor there, and there's a smaller 1K resistor there, and that and the red wire right there, hooked that up to this end, and on the other end there's two black wires that I hooked up to that end of the resistor. I traced this end out. It was correct as far as the schematic concerned. I didn't get to trace this in, but I figured, you know, what else would those wires go to? So I'll have to do some more checking today and see if I've made a mistake or something. It could be that something else got out of whack. I don't know. It just sit there most of the time. It didn't really do anything. So anywho, I just wanted to let you know that I did get something done on this radio. I screwed up the first time I tried. As you can see, I ended up losing the end out of that one, and so at least the one resistor is still good. So I can get another one if I have to. As far as I know, this one I know it is right now, and this radio is fine. So hopefully it'll stay that way. I wanted to get two sets of them just in case, because it's not exactly a common item. So while I was ordering parts, I figured might as well get it then. But of course, running one, that didn't help any. But anyway, I can get that fixed, no problem. So like I said, that's just where I'm at right now. I had planned on maybe hooking this up, trying to calibrate it. It does seem to be working fairly well. I mean, you can use it. The meter zeros like it's supposed to. The ohms adjust like they're supposed to. And but I would like to run it through the calibration, and it's supposed to be on for quite a while before you do that. So, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to try to order another 12 AU7 or just use that one. That accurate 152 is not going to be in service for a while, I'm sure. Simply because it requires a lot more work than I thought it would need. So, anywho, just a quick update on what's happening here at Doug's Electronic Repair Bench, and I'll let you get back to your regularly scheduled programs. Thanks for watching. One more little addition to this video. I did get in the USB extension cable that I bought on eBay some time back. This will make it a lot easier to use this camera. This Sony Bloggy camera has a USB port built in, but it requires that you just basically hook it directly to the computer, unless you have a cable like this. And It makes it a little awkward to move the computer around if you want to get up or whatever, because you've got the camera attached to it. So this will allow me to, it's a 6-foot cord, so it allows me to have a little bit more flexibility, I guess is what the word is. So just want to add that little bit to it. So thanks again for watching.